Now let's talk about what some of the different types of SIBO can be. So there is methane dominant SIBO, there is hydrogen dominant SIBO, there can be a combination of those two, and there's also a new, relatively newer one that we can now diagnose. We had some signs before on breath tests on how to diagnose it, but now we have some actual tests that specifically test for this gas, which is hydrogen sulfide. So there's 3 different types and they can all intermix together. That's why the breath test is important, because it helps guide us on which type we are treating, and then that helps to guide us on treatment. So with hydrogen sulfide being the unique one, you can have some unique symptoms. You can have bladder irritation, which you don't often have with the other ones. You can have sensitivity to Epsom salt baths, sulfur smelling gas. I know that sounds gross. You can have more food intolerances than others might have. Whereas with methane, you have more constipation, and with hydrogen, you have more diarrhea. But again, you can have a mix, so make sure you get the breath test.